time for your local outlook.
Here's a live look from the WFMZ TV tower located in Salisbury Township. You're looking live from the Grand Estonian Suites Hotel in Easton. This shot is live from high atop the WFMZ TV tower in Salisbury Township.
Gutters are one of the most important parts of your home or business, preventing costly water damage when maintained. Jimbo's Gutters can install a new seamless gutter for your home or building. There are many options to make a perfect fit. We custom install the rain systems on site with 21 colors to choose from and both 5 and 6 inches wide available. And most importantly, our team takes pride in our work, using the best products and superior installation services.